Hi, everybody, and happy Halloween. My name is Todd Simon. I'm the board of directors of Gravy Analytics. Gravy is a mobile location intelligence company. We are the only company that derives consumer purchase intent from the local events that people attend every day. So our basic premise, or the premise we began with, was where you go is who you are, or the events consumers attend and the places they visit translate into intelligence about their lifestyles, their life stages, their interests, and most importantly, their purchase intent. So our core database includes 20 million locations. So these are places where commerce takes place. Auto dealerships, quick service restaurants, hotels, big box retailers, literally pretty much everything, or every place that commerce takes place. But our most distinguishing feature is that we are ingesting every day 1 million events. These are events that take place in the US, and that is actually every event that takes place in the US. So this could be a running event, a cycling event, it could be a yoga class. We have every yoga class that exists in the US in our database, networking events, conferences, trade shows, everything. So how does it work? We are ingesting geosignal data. That is latitudes and longitudes that are attached to a mobile device ID and are time-stamped. We compare those billions and billions of geosignals with our mobile devices, device IDs, and contrast that against our database of locations and events. And from that, we can produce audience insights. Specifically, we build audience segments that retailers, brands use to target customers, to micro-target customers. Oops. So one quick word about our technology that distinguishes us from others. A lot of other folks use a technology to fence a location. Their technology is a grid, which is basically defining a particular plot of land as being homogeneous, and therefore all the people that are in that plot of land. Or they use a radial technology, which is to draw a big circle around a location. We build polygons. We've automated the building of polygons specifically that match the borders of the location or the event. So here's a couple of quick examples of why this is important, why this is valuable. You know, you might be using Criteo or recently HookLogic, which was bought by Criteo, to buy media based upon somebody visiting a sports apparel page. That's useful, but not as indicative as someone who's going to a sports store, and maybe that sports store is a running store, or actually going to running events. That's particularly valuable. Next one, visiting a health magazine site, not as indicative as going to a Whole Foods, not as indicative as going to a Whole Foods and taking a yoga class, and also frequently going to farmers markets. Here are our clients. We work with, mainly with brands and retailers, that's why we're here, and they use us for two purposes. One is to target customers using our audience segments, and the second is to actually ingest their data, as we do with Gannett and eBay, to help them evaluate and target better their customers. We're out here today. We're based in Virginia. Our CRO is here today. We have Halloween candy out there, so come visit us.